Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson ET 2650 device, and now I'm going to show you how to check the printer's IP address. So you have several ways to do it. The first way is to open iPrint application, so Epson iPrint app from the App Store or from the Google Play, and in this app you need to choose your AT2650 series printer, then go back here, click on the I button on the right top corner of your screen, and here you will see the device information, and in the device information you can check the IP address of your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.